Today I'm going to create a glitch effect into this image, so that you can apply it to your photos and play around it. I'm Ricardo Costa, and let the fun begin. Start by duplicating our image right here, and I will turn it black and white, so go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White, just like so. Okay, now on this one I will double click to open the layer style button, and I will hide the blue channel, so I will stay only with the R and G. So I will rename it also to RG, so I know this one contains the red and green channel. Then I will duplicate it. You can do it by hit Ctrl or Command J, and again open the layer style, and this time I will hide the red channel and turn on the blue channel. Okay, now I will rename this one to green and blue. Okay, now with the move tool you just simply need to click and drag to the right or to the left and see the result. There you go, you now have this double color that made the glitch effect. Okay, but now I have here this thing, so I will scale up my image just like so. Okay, now I can add an extra effect, which will be these scan lines. You have the link on the description to download for free these lines, so I will scale this up, hit OK, and I will put in color dodge and lower the opacity to 10 or 15, it depends on your image, just like so. Now I will merge all this layer, so you can do on Command Shift Option E on the Mac, and now as you can see I have everything in the same layer. And now we will do those glitch movements. So with the selection, the rectangular marquee tool, I will do some selections. I will add 2 selections so I can make more than one selection in the same time. Something like this, maybe here also. This is totally up to you, the selections you want to make. Okay, I think it could be something like this. Now I will copy and paste in one layer above, and I will drag it a little bit to the side. Okay, now I will do the same thing but to the other side. So select this and select also this one. Let's do here a rough one. So here and here. Let's see how it will look in the eye. So again, copy, Command C, Command V, and with the layer selected, go here to the left. Okay, so the eye I don't like a lot this thing, so in the current layer I can simply delete it, and I will stay with the eyes directly just like that. Okay, and I think I kinda like this result, so now let's add a final touch. So go to here to adjustments and add a new gradient to the image. Let's select a radial one. Okay, I want the reverse just like so, and set the opacity to 30 because I just want a slight nuance. And there you go. I hope you enjoy and learn something with this video. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day.